How y'all cook y'all cabbage? Do you add water to your cabbage or what? Because I just let my cabbage make its own water. Because you know cabbage make its own water anyways too. Do you add grease to your cabbage? Stovetop macaroni. That's how I'm feeling today. Oh yes, it's gonna be so delicious, y'all. One thing about that lady, she can cook. That lady got 6 kids and a husband. In my peach voice. I like it when she say, that lady got, no baby, I ain't got 7. That girl got a husband. That girl got a, do y'all cook this part of the cabbage? Oh, do y'all even bother to cut it up? I never knew, so it may be a dumb question. I know I'm gonna get the dumb answers, a dumb response and all that, but do you cook this part of the cabbage or what you do? Or do it even mean anything? And do you add water to your cabbage, or should I add water to these cabbage? Or just let it go? Let it go. Like you gotta do, let people go sometime. Let them go. Don't surround yourself around them at all.